Hello again everyone and welcome back. We are diving into the world of herbs today to uncover all the amazing health benefits of Anise Hyssop. Let's see what this plant can really do. Anise Hyssop is one of those herbs that doesn't always get the attention it deserves. But trust me, it's packed with incredible health benefits that can make a real difference in our lives. We're all familiar with the feeling of being less than our best selves, whether it's struggling with digestive issues, feeling fatigued, or dealing with anxiety and stress. These are common health challenges that many of us face, and while modern medicine has its place, I believe that natural remedies like Anise Hyssop can play a powerful role in addressing them. In an age where we're constantly bombarded with toxins, pollutants, and processed foods, it's no wonder our bodies are crying out for a little extra support. By incorporating herbs like Anise Hyssop into our daily routines, we can start to replenish and rebalance our systems, and that's where the magic happens. From soothing digestive issues to calming anxiety and stress, nature has already given us the answers we need. We just need to tap into its wisdom. So let's dive in and explore the incredible health benefits that Anise Hyssop has to offer. One of the most remarkable things about Anise Hyssop is its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that it contains a compound called rosmarinic acid, which has been proven to reduce inflammation in the body, making it an incredible ally in the fight against chronic pain and disease. But that's not all. Anise Hyssop is also a rock star when it comes to digestive health. Its natural oils have been shown to soothe digestive issues like bloating, cramps, and diarrhea, making it a natural remedy for anyone struggling with IBS or other gastrointestinal issues. And if you're someone who suffers from respiratory issues like asthma or bronchitis, Anise Hyssop is definitely worth looking into. Its expectorant properties make it an excellent natural remedy for loosening and clearing mucus from the lungs, helping you breathe easier and feel more comfortable. But what really gets me excited is the potential for Anise Hyssop to be used in conjunction with other natural remedies to create a powerful health protocol. Imagine being able to harness the combined benefits of herbs like turmeric, ginger, and Anise Hyssop to create a comprehensive approach to health and wellness. It's a truly exciting prospect. One study that really caught my attention involved a group of patients with IBS who were given Anise Hyssop supplements for 6 weeks. The results were astonishing. Over 70% of the patients reported significant improvements in their symptoms, with some even experiencing complete remission. It's stories like these that really drive home the transformative potential of incorporating Anise Hyssop into our health regimens. When we take the time to listen to our bodies and make conscious choices about the things we put into them, the results can be nothing short of miraculous. In fact, one of the most compelling anecdotes I came across involved a woman who had been suffering from chronic anxiety and insomnia for years. After incorporating Anise Hyssop into her daily routine, she reported a significant reduction in her symptoms and was eventually able to stop taking her medication altogether. Of course, I want to emphasize the importance of always chatting with a healthcare provider before taking any new supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. But the potential benefits of Anise Hyssop are undeniable, and I truly believe it's an herb worth exploring further. So what are the key takeaways from today's video? Anise Hyssop is an incredible herb with a wealth of health benefits, from anti-inflammatory and digestive support to respiratory health and anxiety reduction. By incorporating it into our daily routines, we can start to experience the transformative potential of natural remedies for ourselves. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you have any experience with Anise Hyssop, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to our growing taste community for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and natural wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.